Foodie Chef Pete is here today, and guess what? I said, let's make a meatloaf! Well, some of you told me that you don't like meatloaf. Well, I'm here to show you how to make a meatloaf that's tasty and delicious and your families will love. You know, meatloaf stretches your dollar because you're using like a pound of meat, and in this case I've got a pound of turkey meat. You can use beef meat. I'm gonna put 2 Italian sausages in, and these are sweet Italian sausages. We're gonna mix them in. So you can put veal, you can put just straight pork, I'm using Italian sausages because we like the taste of the beautiful Italian sweet spices that are in there. And I'm going to take this is our base, and I'm going to set it back here, and what we're going to do is get our veggies ready to go. And by getting ready to go, this is what I mean. We are going to saute them before we put them in the meatloaf, and I think you'll find that this is our handy dandy OXO chopper, and what this does is it saves my hand sometimes when my hand is hurting, and you can all laugh. But what we have here is it just goes in here, just like this, and you take the palm of your hand and you go up and down like this, and we get everything all chopped up, nice good size, whoops, it came off, nice good size pieces here, so that we can get them right into our pan over here, and it's heating up nice. We're gonna get this going. And then what I'm gonna do is get some onion in here too. What we're gonna do is just chop some onion up. You gotta kind of cut it into pieces to fit inside these little choppers. There's all different kinds of brands of choppers. If you go to Amazon, you can see them all. I like the OXO brand. This is what I have. It's good, and it's good for your...
Oh yeah, it spins while you're doing it.
And what it is it's good for ergonomics. In it goes there. We get our more onion in, and I've got a few more pieces of onion we need to get in here.
Well, I'll have to put that on the Amazon thing.
Yeah, put it there so that everybody could go to our healleatandteach.com, and you can go through and look at our other products. We have Breville products, Cuisinart products. Okay, so there